That's it. So we have Natalie here today. She's a student at Parsons in photography, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, awesome. What are your, what's the spots that bug you the most?
My upper back area, it's just like always really tight, it feels like. So whenever I bend backwards, I definitely feel it, just in these areas specifically.
And how about neck? Because a lot of times neck is connected to the upper back tightness. Not so bad?
It feels kind of restricted. I feel like I always want some sort of relief, but I'm not sure what I'm looking for, if that makes any sense.
Okay. As far as the upper back, I want you to first hunch your back and roll down this way. So you're not doing a touch your toes. You're trying to do a roundness. So we're flexing forward here. Now go backwards. And you can even take your elbows and jam them back. And the reason we do that is it retracts the shoulder blades and gives it a little squeeze. So you're gonna, it looks funny, but you're gonna do this and then lean back. And does that create any tension in between the shoulder blades?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which was worse, going back or forward? Because you tried both.
Back.
Okay. Sit here for a second with your back to me. Yeah, just sit right there like it's a chair. And I'm going to palpate between the shoulder blades, okay? May I put my arm across you like this just to stabilize? Okay. So I'm going to put my arm up here. Do you feel that spot?
Yeah.
Does that hurt a little bit?
Yeah.
So I'm on the left, right around T4. Now here's the right side. Now lean back a little bit, just a little bit. Okay. How about this one?
Oh, yeah.
Good. And then tilt your head this way. That's a little bit too, right? Those are the. I was just on the SCM, sternocleidomastoid muscle. And this one, how about that one? Do you feel that one?
Oh, yeah.
That's really
I didn't
bad.
even know that was there.
Yeah, that one's bad. Okay, that's the one we're going to do first, actually.
Okay.
Scoot over to here just a little bit more so I can stand next to you. Okay, I'm going to stand behind you. And I'm going to have you turn your head this way. And let this relax.
Oh, my God.
Ooh.
That was intense.
This is great, right?
I wasn't expecting that.
All right, there's another one. But this time at least you're going to be expecting it.
Yeah.
Turn, turn, turn. Turn, turn, turn. No, nothing on that side. All right. Next thing, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
All right, good. So next thing I'm going to do is lie face down right here.
Okay.
Put your nose right in there. But that first one was huge, right?
Yeah.
Let me feel it now. Yeah, so it's not bunched up. It's not compressed. And where I'm touching is where the base of the skull, the occiput, touches the top vertebra, the C1. It's hard to see on her, but here's the base of the skull. And then right there is where we kind of lifted it up. And I thought there'd be some on the right side too, but it was just all jacked up on that one side. Right there. There's another one though. Do you feel that one?
Yeah.
So now I'm down at C3. But it's really where C2 meets C3. So I could almost set up on either one of them. It's a very small space. Turn your head this way. Good. And bring your cheekbone up onto that roller and let this roll. There you go. Back to center. Now turn your face left and right. First left.
Like this?
Yep. And I'm going to raise the table. You'll hear on the machine. Now turn all the way to the right. Which way is it harder for you to turn your neck? It might be even. But
It's easier to turn my head to the left.
okay, because that's the one we popped open.
Yeah.
All right. Head back to center. We're going to come back and get that right side handled because I'm not happy that it's not turning as well to the right. And I think I can do more. Do you feel this one up here?
Yeah.
So big breath in and blow it out.
Jesus.
That's that area, right? Here, turn your face to this side. Wait, move your hair out of your face.
Should have brought a haircut. All right.
Okay. What did you think of that one?
That was pretty good. Yeah.
Good. All right, head back to center. Okay, that area feels good. Now I feel this area here. This area is stuck too. Nice. Got it. Wow, did you hear those?
Yeah.
Now lift this leg in the air. That's a big old leg. Just bring in the air and put it down. Now bring this leg up, all the way up, and put it down. Which one's harder for you to lift? They might be even.
Probably my left.
Okay. And when you lift your left, you might do it one more time to decide the answer to this question. Where do you feel it more taut or tight or restricted? Do you feel it here or here or here or even the hamstring or the front? Like, where is it hung up?
Oh, right over here.
Okay. Ooh, like in there, right? So she pointed to L5, and when I dig in there, I feel it tight. Do you feel that tightness? Little tight muscle? All right. I'm going to pull this up a little bit, okay? Can I move this down like an inch?
Yeah.
Okay, just to there. All right, so now I'm going to get my elbow right in there. Right there. Do you feel that?
Oh, yeah.
Does that hurt a lot or a little?
A lot. Oh, right there, too.
That's a bad one, right?
Yeah. Oh, there, too.
All right. Turn your face to this side so you can breathe a little bit for a while. Okay. And I'm going to come back in again, okay? So
Okay.
let me know if you feel this one, okay?
Okay. Oh, yeah, I feel that.
And how about this one?
Yeah.
And is this worse?
Yeah.
Okay. So now, I'm going to have you lie on your side facing me this way, please. And pull this knee up. So we're going to go at L5 and see if we can set it and get it into a nice, happy position, okay? So you're going to hold your own tricep. I'm going to put my hand through like this, and I'm going to look for that spot. Give me some strength on this arm, okay?
Like
Good.
this?
Yeah, so I can push it back. I think that's it right there.
Oh, yeah. That was nice.
Got it. That was cool, right?
Yeah, that was great.
Good. So now lie face down. Let's see if we can do the left leg lift and see if it feels any different. Because that was the spot that correlates with that. Go ahead when you're ready.
Oh, yeah.
Good.
Definitely feels much better.
Awesome. Let's do a little on the right though, because you do as a student have to sit sometimes, right? In classrooms and...
Yeah.
So lie on your side facing me. I know you said you're a photography student, so you're probably on your feet quite a bit too.
Yeah, in the dark room.
But there is times that you're sitting and studying or computer time editing, right?
Yeah.
Editing your photographs. Put your hand up here like this. I'm going to move you a little closer. I'm going to put my hand through and touch the vertebra. This time I'm going to come up a little higher. So give me some strength on this arm. Good. So I can, do you see now I can move you around? Right there. 5, 4, 3. I think I'm going to do 3. Grab it. Get under that spinous. Strength on the arm. Got it.
Yeah.
Nice. Lie on your back. No, face up, face up.
Oh, my back.
You know it's a good treatment if you don't remember your right from your left because you're enjoying yourself and you're relaxed. So I'm still worried about that we didn't get this right side yet. The left side we got with the occiput lift. The right one is keeping you from turning.
Yeah.
You know where I think I made a mistake is I don't think I got C2 on the right. And the second cervical bone has a lot to do with rotation, has a massive amount to do with rotation. And I'm missing that. And that's why when you rotate, when you're lying face down, turn your head to the right, which is a right rotation, it's not grooving or tracking correctly. So I feel it here now. I kind of see what I missed. Yeah. Do you feel that right there?
Yeah.
So I'm going to pull, and we're going to come in close and watch this now. That's it. That's the one. And while I have you here, I'm going to do one more layer on your problem spot, so scoot down towards me. And then we're going to test it all and see what we did, okay? Turn your face all the way this way. Wrap up even more. Touch your back. No, those are good. So lie face down. Let's test the neck, okay? So you're going to put your nose in there, and then you're going to turn your face to the right. Wait, get the hair out of the way, though. There you go. And see if it's easier now, because we got that bone out of the way. You could go center and right. So go center and right.
Oh yeah, super easy to do that now.
Good.
Wow. Like a noticeable difference.
Awesome. So I'm going to have you turn on your back for a second. And we still have to test. We're going to still test, when you bend back like this. I'm going to see you do that in a minute. Mm-hmm. But I just want to look and make sure your ankles are okay. Here, come around this way.
Ooh.
The whole hip went.
Yeah. Woo! That was a bigger one.
Wow. Got it. All right. Come stand with me over here. And then, here, turn this way. Yeah, that's good. Now do your back one there.
Wow.
What are you feeling now?
Just like not the same amount of tension, if that makes any sense. I feel like a little bit more flexible.
Awesome.
Like it's not a big pain to do that anymore.
Good. You might need a few treatments to get it to hold, but we at least know how to help it. Mm-hmm. So it might be interesting to, come back and do another one, but you're a student, of course, and you've got to deal with that,
Yeah.
With your time and your budget. Mm-hmm. But I think this is going to help you a lot.
All right. Thank you so much.
Which was your favorite one?
Probably the neck one, when I was back down.
Yeah. Because that was pretty dramatic too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, louder because it's closer to the ears, right? So,
yeah,
that one was my favorite. I wasn't expecting that. I always see it, and it always looks so scary. So I was a little scared for that one.
That's awesome. And you definitely feel different in there, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
right.
yeah.
Good.
It's a nice difference for sure.
I'm glad. Thank you for trying this.